Alright, I have fixed the recording, so why don't you just tell them what they've missed?
Alright, so, and when did this recording stop? What?
About when you went for a smoke.
Oh, okay, so, I'm getting in touch with my nature side today, and I've decided I'm getting into the arts and craft. I'm going to be selling this bow and arrow on Etsy later on. 555 123 670. All yours now. And
What about how was the swim? How did you enjoy the swim?
the swim was fantastic. There was a little bit of aquatic sea life.
Did you anaconda in the water?
A snail, sea snail. It's a joke. Anyway, and now the probably Australian summer weather is it's still hashtag blessed right now. I'm going to make some friends with some birds in a second.
You're gonna make some friends with some birds. I'm guessing you're gonna shoot them.
It's a
Good friendship.
You can call me Cupid. Cupid arrows. This, and I'm going to make lovebirds out of them. Hi, Bon. Let's go find some birds.
There's one right in front of us. Look.
Oh yeah, that's got lovebird written all over it. He's mine, mate. Alright, let me in.
Alright, good luck.
Alright. Oh.
Here's your bird.
Alright, that's okay. There'll be there's more fish.
Would you like to get your feathers from the bird?
It feels wrong. Using another man's feathers. I don't know.
You don't want to pluck it? We can make a turkey.
Oh.
Get it.
Oh, it's doing it properly this time. Ah. Okay. Okay. Come on. Two of my sides. Right, you know what? We're going to have to go to the next bird.
Next bird hunting spot?
It's time to move on.
Alrighty. Let's move on to this next bird hunting spot. I feel like this will be a good area.
It looks right.
Looks like there's no birds. Wait, birds can't fly in the rain, can they?
Yeah, I mean, I don't like it, I would have thought, but... I don't know, actually. I don't see birds flying in the rain. That's what I always...
Look.
Oh, right.
There's two. Get those birds.
These fucking birds. Where's our car?
I just realised I haven't seen any puppies or kittens. Are there puppies and kittens? zombies, puppies and kids. Hello there.
Oh, Jesus.
Ah! What the hell? Peekaboo! I see you.
Back out of here.
Ah!
Alright. I just quickly patch myself up. That wasn't, that didn't tickle.
Didn't tickle?
Ooh, oh my god!
What?
On the ground, there are broken wooden arrows.
Yeah, you shot him at me.
Alright.
I wonder if I could crawl
There's no
under the
birds
car.
here. This thing that's being
Wait.
not entirely useful.
Am I under the car? I can't see. I feel like I'm stuck. Ah, you just ran me over. What the hell?
Let's see.
Okay, don't crash this time. Like that. And like that. Maybe I should drive.
I've got this completely under control.
Okay, just remember this is our only means of transportation.
Alright. No problem. Oh, perfect. Do you reckon there'll be any birds here? Oops, no, it's fine. That's just a scratch.
Oh, you got in without crash?
I'll try harder next time. Oh, this is what I did last time. Oh, yeah, that fit.
Okay, you've made it smoke within like 5 seconds of driving.
Smokes, actually. You know what? I do need a smoke. Thank you for reminding me. Where are my smokes? I left them in my jacket.
Can you
Oh, no,
smoke?
no, I got him. I got him. I got
Can
him.
you smoke
Alright.
again?
I am waiting when you can.
I know you can play the instruments in the can.
Hey, I want to be able to do both, to be honest.
Well, you can actually play instruments. Like, if you find an instrument, I'll show you how to play it.
Alright, done. Deal.
I was playing the harmonica yesterday. See, this is sort of... Wait, where are we going?
Birds. Birds.
Okay,
At least one lovebird. Kill.
Bird.
Yep, whereabouts?
Maybe it was a grass. Oh no, they're above us, I think.
There are a lot of
Oh no, it's not
branches
grass.
and shit.
It's like grass or something flying out of the sky.
Yeah, it's just like tree branches. There's zombies up ahead. We can do a bit of driving practice for the zombies.
What's that?
I don't know. You can run some of these suckers over.
I just drove through it.
You gotta build up a bit of speed.
Hard when the car don't start. Oh, there you go. Spiders.
Oh my god, there's so many.
Whoa.
I line them up. That's it. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Like poetry.
I'm gonna play a game of football with him. Let's go.
Thanks, ya!
You can't catch me, you can't catch me.
Check out space.
Well, I've got about 20 zombies on me.
They can come.
I feel like they want to come.
Everyone.
Can't run forever.
No.
Well, they can jump up here. Watch out, they're jumping up. Get him. He missed him.
Christ. That is not great. Oh, there he goes. Oh yeah, no, it's doing its job. Get him right in the head.
Come here, zombie. Yeah. Alright, shotgun time.
I actually changed I do like this one. I don't know.
I like the
I'm going to
combo,
take it.
that's definitely my favourite.
Taking me fancy lifting off. This is mine.
Ah! The zombie's following me! Look at the pile of zombies just there. No, I got no bullets left.
I'm switching to the hammer of your friend. Hang on.
Wow, Jesus. Thank you for the bandage.
You suck. Wow, now I'm sucky. Got in, finally. Oh, I'm missing so much. What is this?
What's what? The place where I am at.
There we go. Jesus Christ. That was unnecessary. What the hell?
Can't wait until they bring in buildings and things like that.
Yeah, I heard some talk about it. In an earlier version, you could build a kind of a standalone tower that.
Yeah, I saw that. That was cool.
Really got his attention. I'm just gonna say that.
I like making friends.
The starstruck, man. He had cigarettes. Brilliant. Oh, a tactical jacket. Yeah. It's time to say goodbye to the Christmas tree. Oh, I can wear both. Alright. Alright. Let's see what this lot had.
Well, they got a lot of bodies.
Cigarettes.
What?
Making those, thanks. Uh,
I wish I had a grenade on me.
That'll be perfect.
To blow all the bodies.
Nails, I'll take those, thanks. No. Vitamin pills. Woo! Alright. So they hey, I have some breaking news. I have found another magnifying glass.
Beautiful.
Total
Double
number of
magnification.
magnifying glasses that we need to make a face mask. We just need some skin. But I feel now this is a good time to just quickly check up to see how you're going with your skin. Doing okay?
Yeah, my skin's black, so I don't know if you want that on your face. I'm not sure why.
I think that'd be awesome, man.
I feel like that's a little bit
Yeah.
racist if you did put it on your face.
Oh! Look at that.
Human skin.
Yeah,
So you got
pretty extreme too, wouldn't it? I mean, that's not just, that's taking it fairly personally, you know.
Well, here you go. Like, I guess I'll give you this guy's skin.
You know what? I'm going to look elsewhere. I'm going to source it.
I guess I'll give you this guy's skin. Right, it'll
Organic.
work. Here you go. Here's some skin for you.
Alright, what have we got? Guts, torso, puppet leg. Oh, what? Teeth. I'll be taking those. I'll be, for research purposes, I'll be hanging onto those. Human skin! What, am I missing something?
Do you have a needle?
I did, but the thing is I left. Yeah, I got a needle. Yeah.
What else do you need? Needle,
I had all this stuff. The thing is, I left a tactical jacket at home. That's alright. I'm just missing rope. That's no problem.
Yeah, I can give you rope.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Right.
Is that enough rope, or do you need more? Right,
No, it's plenty of rope. It's being finally.
You come up?
I think we're experiencing server lag.
I do have more rope if you need.
What's going on?
There's more rope on the ground if you like.
It's actually being a bit laggy. I'm clicking on it and it doesn't do anything. I'm a bit worried about the state of the server right this very second.
Pass me all your materials and I'll make it for you if you like.
I mean, I can do it. Yeah, I'll chuck it all on the ground. Oh, okay, I can throw things on the ground, so it's fine.
I just need the skin on it, yeah.
That's what I need to do this. Do you have a needle and a knife?
Nah, I just need a needle.
The needle's on the ground.
Needle's on the ground. Alright. There you go.
Okay.
There you go, should be on the ground.
Woo! Alright.
I wanna see it.
Yeah, I can't see it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Can you see it on the ground?
Yeah, it's like... Oh, I don't know where it is on the ground.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it on. Alright, I'm wearing it.
Well, alright, that's not creepy at all.
But this suits me.
Can I, like,
Uh,
hang on, can I try and wear it, see if it takes off part of the thing somewhere? I want to see if it moves it. If it doesn't, I'm gonna make one.
yeah, it's on the ground.
Do I have it on?
Hang on. Let me get closer. You've definitely got it on. Oh my god. You look so sad right now. Hang on, screenshot.
Alright, there's your mask. I gotta make one at some point.
Actually, it kind of suits you, man, I have to say.
No, you gotta wear it.
No. Alright, we can take turns. Share it.
We'll share the skin mask.
I think it's
Sew it
something
to your
right.
face and then we'll unsew it and then we'll sew it to my face.
Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Yeah, okay. No worries. Yeah.
Right, so where was I? Oh, yeah.
Take her outside for a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just watch her for a bit.
Excuse me. Go.
I'm rock climbing.
No, it's chopped. Dismember my fallen enemies.
There's legit a lot out there.
Stick. Some useful shit here, let me tell you.
A few sticks or something, is there?
But stick was awesome.
Wait, what's through this fence?